Hello. Okay, so this is an IKEA Britart. I don't know how to say that, but it's a terracotta pot. But I like the shape of the bottom and I want to use that as a form to make a bird nest. I've just put some press and seal here so as I'm handling it, it doesn't get all nasty. And this is just parchment paper that I'm going to tape around here, and I'll show you why in a second. Just gonna tape it down a bit to help control the beast a little bit. Okay. It doesn't have to be perfect or smooth. I'm just hoping this will protect it from the glue gun. So that was noisy, sorry. I saw Royce from Roycycled Treasures make a little bird nest last spring, and she used, she had like a saran wrap, and then she used some kind of a medium like clear patina, DIY's clear patina, or some kind of like a transfer medium to kind of set this twine down to make a frame for the bird nest. But I'm not gonna lie, I tried that already and it's too fiddly and time consuming for me, so I'm resorting to hot glue. So we're gonna see how that works. This may or may not work, but I'm gonna give it a go. Hopefully without burning myself. I'm just wanting to build a base. And then I'll be able to attach moss and all kinds of fun organic matter to create a little bird nest, is my plan. If I can manage to get this done without gluing myself to my project. Seems to be kind of working. So far, so good. Okay, I'm gonna continue on gluing and then we'll get back with the good stuff. So here's my little nest. It looks really gross in here with all the glue, but it worked pretty good to give me a little base. So now I have these just from the dollar store, Dollar Tree, I think. Just little bits of moss and, you know, the messy stuff. Look how cute that little nest is. So now we got to make the bottom side look cuter. Okay, so I've got this chunk of burlap. That I'm going to use. And I'm just going to roughly cut around feeling very awkward with these angles. Okay. Free that edge a bit. Just want to tack it down. I don't want the glue squirting out between the holes. This is this burlap is from a big roll to cover trees and stuff and shrubs for the winter. So it's pretty big. It's not a very fine weave, but it's gonna work fine. I think that's pretty darn cute. Just a couple little additions here. I need one of those glue guns with the roll of glue, the never-ending roll of glue. I'm always adding. Look how cute that is. Cute little bird nest. And it was pretty quick to make. Now it just needs some little eggs or a little bird. It'll be perfect.